here is the plant that I repotted. And this is the inimitable what is it? BLC. You saw the tag. It is Boothly Venice. Humongous plant. There's a growth. I'm weighing it down with rock, and hopefully it will continue growing upwards, I hope, because it's getting some good sun here. And other than that, it's got bark and rock. Thanks for watching. You can do it too. As this demonstrated, this copper queen got that growth coming. Boy, is it for you. And lo and behold, check this out. My Borangina. This is last year's floppy, ugly growth. Lo and behold, it's giving me another. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. But anyway, I've already shown you what I wanted. So anyway, happy growing, folks. And thanks for stopping by.